Alright, so this is the first video of a series of videos I will be doing on sort of some of the basic Meshmixer functions and sort of walkthroughs, as well as going through the design on the grid for the fitness app. So I'm kind of just moving the grid and the object around right now by holding right click on the mouse. I'm using a PC computer. I think on Macs you just hold it's like Control or Command or one of those, and you can click around or move around like that. But what I have here is I have pre-aligned all these, what will become the grid after I do some booleans and some subtractions. But what I need to do first is I need to move the rows closer together long ways. If you could see here on the short end, they're already overlapping. So if you just click on it, I'm going to end up highlighting a bunch of these and moving them. Clicking in this cube up here will take you to a specific viewpoint. So right is viewing the object from the right, top, so on and so forth. So to select multiple objects, I am hitting the Shift button and clicking. And then I'm going to hit Transform. Change the snap step to 1 millimeter, hit Enter. And then I'm going to move it over 1 millimeter. As you can see, these did not move with it, so I'm going to have to select these as well. Same way, Shift click, Transform. It's already set to 1 millimeter, so I don't have to worry about that. And moving it over. As you can see, I moved it too far, so I hit Command Z. That reopened the Transform box. I'm rechanging the snap step to 1 millimeter, moving it back 1, hitting Accept. And as you can see now, these are touching, both long ways and short ways. I knew it was 1 millimeter because I left 1 millimeter space between them when I originally designed this. So I'm just eliminating that space. Alternatively, in the object browser, if you clicked on an object, it will highlight it. Same thing if you hit Shift, you can select multiple objects. As you can see, these aren't really well named, so I don't know exactly the name of these. But if you click on it in here in the object, it will show up here. So just like that, same way, almost quicker, was able to highlight that entire row. And now I'm going to move it. This time I moved it 2 because this was already moved 1 and it already had 1 millimeter of space in between it. So I'm going to do this, and then in the next video this should already be done and completed, and I will move on from there.